Sanibonani bafundi. Hello my grade R's. Ngiyanamukela futhi ngiyathemba ukuthi nibe namaholide amnandi. Welcome to our third term. I hope you had a beautiful break and you are ready for this term. So last term we've learned to count from 0 up to 10. Because we've been learning from 0 up to 5 and then we continue with 6 up to 10. So before we start today's lesson, we are going to practice counting together. So get your fingers ready and we are going to count together. So I am going to be saying the numbers and then you are going to repeat after me. Okay, so the first number is what? Iqanda, kunye, kubili, kuthathu, kune, kuhlanu, isithupha, isikhombisa, isishiyagalombili, isishiyagalolunye, ishumi. Well done. Well done for practicing. So now, namhlanje sizofunda ngomndeni wami. Today we are going to learn about my family. So what is family? When we talk about family, who are we talking about? We are talking about your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, your auntie, your sister, your brother, your uncle. So today we are going to learn to say the family members in Zulu. So in Zulu, when we say my family, we say umndeni wami. Umndeni wami. So umndeni wami, it means my family. So here we have a beautiful family. So but now we are going to learn what do we call them in Zulu. So let's look at the first picture here. So here we have grandpa. So grandpa in Zulu we say umkhulu. Umkhulu. Say after me, umkhulu. Well done. And then grandma. Grandma in Zulu we call them ugogo. Ugogo. Say after me, ugogo. And then dad is ubaba. Ubaba. Say after me, ubaba. And then mother or mom, we say umama. Umama. Say after me, umama. Well done. And then uncle. Uncle is our umalume. Umalume. Say after me, umalume. Well done. Okay, and auntie. And auntie we say auntie. Auntie. Say after me, auntie. Good job. And brother. Brother in Zulu we say ubhuti. Ubhuti. Say after me, ubhuti. Good job. Sister. Usisi. Usisi. Say after me, usisi. Well done. And the last one is a baby. So we call the baby ingane. Ingane. Say after me, ingane. Well done. Okay, you must keep on practicing to say them So now I am going to sing a song that talks about our moms. So I'm just going to sing a song, and the next time you are going to join me and sing with me. Okay, so the song goes like this. Napaya omame, betweli mitwalo. Napaya omame, betweli mitwalo. Ngcingcibo, ngcingcibo, napaya omame, ngcingcibo, ngcingcibo, napaya omame. Sabona ngoswiti, sabona ngokeke, sabona ngoswiti, sabona ngekeke. Ngcingcibo, ngcingcibo, napaya omame. Ngcingcibo, ngcingcibo, napaya omame. So I'm going to tell the meaning of the song now. It says, there are the mummies, there are the mummies. They are carrying cases or bags. We see sweeties, we see cakes. Okay, so we are going to practice the song again next time. But for now, salani kahle. See you next week.